Do you have a space in your home that you want to renovate? Do you have a bathroom that looks like it's from the days of Miami Vice with pink and green tile, or a kitchen with old Formica countertops? Or maybe you just have the vision of a great room off the back of your home where you can snuggle up with your kids and enjoy great family memories. But what are these projects going to cost? Hi, it's Janelle here with another episode of Design Dish, and I'm so excited we are at episode 10. We made it to double digits. Thanks so much for watching and sharing the love. Continue to let us know what you want to hear about and topics that you'd like us to cover. Today, for the 10th episode, we're talking about the real cost of a construction project. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a very simple method for developing a preliminary construction budget. And it's based off of square footage. First thing you need to look at is the level of finish that you want in the space. Do you have a very expensive, high-end vision for this space? Are there marble mosaic floors and really high-end, beautiful plumbing fixtures that you want to include? Maybe you envision a large 24 by 24 inch recessed shower head that just is glorious as you're showering in the morning. All of these things do come at a cost. So while you're looking at the different finishes, you need to think about, does the finish that you want match up with the budget that you have? There are 3 different budget levels to consider when you're coming up with your preliminary budget. There's the economical budget, the mid-level budget, and the luxury budget, and they all have an average cost per square foot. The economy budget starts at about $150 a square foot, and the mid-level budget is about $250 a square foot, whereas the luxury budget, you're looking at about $350 or more per square foot. So let's take the example of a bathroom. It's a 10-foot by 15-foot bathroom. It's 150 square feet. I think it's safe to say that we would all love a luxurious bathroom. So let's take the luxury bathroom budget for this example. At $350 a square foot by 150 square feet, you're looking at a $57,500 budget. And that doesn't even include design fees for professionals like me that make sure that you have the design that you want and that no mistakes are made along the way. But that's a very simple way to come up with a preliminary budget based on the square footage of the space. Again, you're going to go into much more detail, and there are ways that you can save and have some luxurious finishes and then offset that budget with other non-luxurious finishes that don't have quite as much impact. We'll go into that a little bit more in another Design Dish. But for now, that's this 10th episode. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and you can also find us on all of the social media platforms at Blakely Interior Design. Thanks so much.